Here's a quick video to show you how to remove a PEX clamp. If you're in the middle of a job and you made a mistake like me, you need to break this off so you can take it out. All you need is the right tool. I got my iCrimp right here and it does the job. Check the link below in the description if you need this. The first thing I need to do is place my tool in the correct mode. And to do that, I'm going to flip it over here. Unleash that part and flip it. And now I'm in the correct mode. This is to break it. Right now we're just going to take the crimper here. We're going to place it over top of this clamp right here. Just like that. Now we're just going to squeeze. And the piece falls right off. And your clamp is broken and you can take the whole thing apart. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.